Welcome back to another video after so long. Before you say anything, my makeup, I know. I was trying to make some reels in Instagram, so you know I did makeup, but I have one surprise. I got a new phone. I've not been okay. Let me explain why I was not active in YouTube. It was because my phone, which I had, it didn't work well anymore. So whenever I try to edit my videos, it just crashed. So that was the reason why I could not edit videos or upload new one. But I've got a new phone now, so I'm so happy. This is OnePlus Nord. Let me just read it out. Where is it? OnePlus Nord CE 5G. This is the phone that I got. It has 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. This is the... What am I going to say? This is the unboxing. Let's do the unboxing. Ta-da! Yay! My phone! My new phone! This is the phone that I got. It's a silver ray. No? The color is silver ray. So this is how it looks like. Is it good? I love it because my main concern is the camera and the storage. So it have a large storage and the camera is also good. So the camera, it have 64 megapixels. Wait, let me just take out the manual and then we can check this. What is this? This is the manual. Fell down. The pin. It have one phone cover. This is the charger. That's it. Phone cover and ye kya hai? What is this card? It have one card. I don't even know what this is for. What? Red cable club. It has this card in here. कुछ तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, क्या करूँ? कुछ भी तो नहीं है पढ़ने के लिए. Okay. So this is the camera. It has 64 megapixel back camera and the front camera I have to go and check. I don't know the front camera ka megapixel. It's 20 something. Don't know the exact number. But yeah, the main thing is I got my new phone and I'll start uploading new videos now. I am okay, I am back. I will be uploading new videos from now on. So guys, please support me. Please keep supporting like you always did. And let me know what type of videos you want to see, because if you want to see haul videos, let me know, because I bought some clothes and maybe I can do haul videos on or see guys, if you have any suggestion about what type of videos you want to see, please let me know so that you know we can make those videos and make it interesting for you and for me. Bye! Gaya, it almost fell and the light went off. So, but I think it's okay. It looks better like this actually. Looks better. Even my makeup is not very loud. With the light, it was quite loud, but right now it's better. I should have done it like this from the beginning. Okay, guys. So that's the unboxing. Very simple. I just wanted to show you my new phone, and that I just wanted to update you guys that I will be uploading new videos from now on. So thank you. Peace out. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you please like my video. I love you guys so much. Bye.